So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can play Free Fire Max without emulator on your PCs or Windows. Now, in order to get that, just simply open any of the browser, search for Play Games. Once you do it, just simply search Play Games for PC. Hit enter. Open the first website that appear right in front of you. Just a second. If I try it again, Play Games for PC. Now open this first website that appear right in front of you. Install the Play Games for your PC. You can just simply get it from here only. Now, once you download and install the Play Games, you can sign in to get this interface. Now, go to the search section right there, explore, and here, so you can see the Free Fire Maxes right there. Now, it is optimized and verified for the PC, so you can easily download, install, and play the game for you.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.